The pattern combination and monogram can be saved as a file in the machine's internal memory or a USB flash drive. Press the Save File key to open the Save File window. The ORDF folder is shown. Press the built-in memory key or USB flash drive key to select the location to save the file. Open the folder. The file name is assigned automatically starting from number C001. If you wish to change the file name, press the Rename key to open the keyboard window. Enter the new name and press the OK key. Press the OK key to save the design under the new name. Opening a pattern combination. When you press the Open File key, the Open File window appears. Press the built-in memory key or USB flash drive key to select the location. Open the folder. Open the pattern combination. Customizing the machine settings.